In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom chart layout for a stock or ETF using the Robinhood app or website. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having a layout that fits your particular way of analyzing stocks can really help you make more informed decisions and streamline your investing experience. Customizing your chart layout allows you to see only the data and indicators that matter to you most, making sure your focus is right where you want it to be. Let's get started. First, open up the Robinhood app on your mobile device or head over to the Robinhood website from your computer. Go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. If you haven't already set up two-factor authentication, I highly recommend enabling it for an added layer of security. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to look up the specific stock or ETF you want to analyze. Just type in the name or ticker symbol and select it from the results. This will bring you to the asset's overview page where you can get a quick glance at things like price, performance, and recent news. Now, to access a more detailed look, tap or click on the chart itself. This will open it up in full screen mode, giving you a clearer and more immersive view of price movements. Here, you'll notice several options around the chart, but for customization, look toward the top right corner for the Legend button. This icon is usually labeled or shown as 3 stacked lines or dots. After tapping or clicking the Legend button, you'll see several options pop up. Look for Customize Layout, or, on some versions, it might be labeled Edit Layout. Select this option and you'll be taken to the customization screen. Here's where the real fun begins. You can choose which elements to add or remove from your chart. For instance, you might want to display or hide price indicators, show the volume of trades, or overlay moving averages that help you spot trends. Take your time to explore the available options so that you can build a chart that really works for your style. If you're not sure what an indicator does, Robinhood often provides a brief explanation when you tap on it. You can also rearrange your chart sections by dragging and dropping them. Simply tap, hold, and move each section until it looks just right. This can help you prioritize the information you check most often, keeping your workflow efficient. Once you're happy with your setup, don't forget to save your work. Just tap or click Save or Apply at the bottom of the screen. Your custom layout will now be in place whenever you come back to this chart. That's all there is to it. Customizing your Robinhood chart layouts helps you streamline your research and gives you more control over your trading decisions. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investing journey.